So you want to make money on Airbnb, but feel a little bit overwhelmed, not really sure where to get started? Most people think that owning a property is the only way that you can make money on Airbnb, but I'm gonna tell y'all that's simply not true. So here's what you're going to learn in this video. I'm gonna break down each of the approaches in detail. I'm gonna provide some budget numbers and some other details to help you make a determination of which of these may be best aligned with the goals, the things that you're trying to accomplish. Most importantly, I'm going to give you a sense of how much money can you make from each of these approaches. That's also an important consideration to help you determine which of these may be best for you. So the very first approach may be one that a lot of people aren't familiar with, and that is called Airbnb co-hosting. And here's what's really unique about this approach. You're not going to rent the property. You're not going to buy the property. You're simply going to manage the property for someone else. Think about it like a property manager manages like an apartment or a home on behalf of an owner. So there's minimal upfront costs. You can expect to make between 10 and 30% of the monthly revenues using this approach. This approach may be best for people who enjoy hosting, enjoy hospitality, maybe someone who actually have a lot of knowledge about their local area and want to take that knowledge and monetize it on behalf of an Airbnb property owner. So for this approach, you can expect to make anywhere between $500 and $2,500 per month. Some of the challenges that you may face is because you don't own the property, because you're not leasing the property, you're gonna have to build trust with an owner or someone that's leasing the property in order for them to trust you as their manager. So here's how you get started. You're gonna reach out to an owner, and you're gonna offer to conduct an audit on their current listing, where you review the listing and you provide detailed feedback about how they can actually improve that listing. And if you're providing those details, it may be a way to actually get your foot in the door to get an owner to begin to trust you. You may also consider joining Facebook groups. There are a number of Facebook groups online for short-term rentals and Airbnb, and joining those networks, sometimes you may see owners post in those groups that they're looking for someone to actually host their properties. Now, once you get someone to actually trust you, you're going to want to invite those individuals to give you a review of your service. And this is really important because this comes to the principle of social proof. Once you get a few folks who have tried your services and believe strongly in what you're able to do, they actually will be able to give you a review, and those reviews will help other owners trust you in the future. So if you're not sure if co-hosting is right for you, I want to invite you to download the Airbnb Profit Map. It walks you through how to choose the right property, how to choose the right city. It also helps you avoid some of the most common mistakes that new hosts make. It helps you to match your strategy with your budget goals and identify a property that can actually help you meet those goals. The link is down below. You can download that profit map for free. Now, the second model to consider is one that is called rental arbitrage. And over the last few years, this particular model has gotten quite a bit of attention. And here's how it works. You're going to lease the property from an owner. You're going to furnish that property, but you're not actually going to own that property. You're simply going to leverage that property to produce income. And this particular approach is best if, let's say, you have between $5,000 and $15,000 to invest in the approach, because you're going to need a little bit of money in order to lease the property. You may also need some money to furnish the property, depending on whether or not you have current furniture. Now, here's the important thing. You can expect to make between $2,000 and $5,000 per month. And these numbers are going to vary a little bit depending on the location of the property, depending on the size of the property, and also depending on the demand of the property. So these are just estimates, but between $2,000 and $5,000 a month is an average amount that you can expect to make from rental arbitrage. Here are some of the challenges that you may face along the way. You're going to have to convince an owner to rent you this property for the purposes of relisting it on Airbnb to make money. And y'all, you have to be incredibly honest about this. You can't rent a property under one expectations and then turn around and list it on Airbnb. If you do something like that, one, that is unethical. and the owner will have the right to actually evict you from that property. So here's how you get started. The first important step in this process is to find a landlord or property owner that is open to renting you a property to then list on Airbnb. Not just that, you're also going to want to find a property that actually has demand. You don't just want to rent a property, you want to rent a property that is located in an area that guests are trying to go. Also a property that is in the right level of condition that you can charge a premium for, that allows you to be able to make a profit on it. Other things to consider is you want to consider the budget, how much it would actually cost to help you set up that property. How much would it cost, for example, to have that property cleaned after each guest? You also want to begin thinking about, well, what would this property look like photographed? Is the property in a good enough condition that would also show up strongly and beautifully online? Both the function of the property is important, as well as the aesthetics of the property. Both of those have to work together. But those are just a few tips, a few ways, if you will, of how to get started with rental arbitrage. If you're finding this content helpful, I want to invite you to hit the like button. And if you want to get similar content in the future, that is content primarily focused on helping individuals just like yourself launch a profitable Airbnb, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel, because I put out content like this every single week, packed with value, based in our experience, that helps you launch an Airbnb smartly and profitably from the very beginning. So hit subscribe if you want content like that going forward. Now, the third model is one that you may be more familiar with, and that is actually buying the property and then listing it on Airbnb and similar channels. Now, this particular approach tends to be preferable to some because you have full control over the property. You get all the benefits, such as tax benefits that come from owning the property. You also get the equity. So if, let's say, you buy a property that increases in value, you're then able to leverage that equity maybe to buy more properties going forward. This particular approach is best for people who have existing capital or those who are able to access financing. Now, depending on where this property is located, depending on its condition, depending on the size of the property, you can expect to make anywhere from $1,500 to $6,000 a month on each of those properties. And I've given those caveats now, y'all. These aren't automatic numbers. It could be, in some cases, you're making more, could be a little bit you're making less. It all depends on that property and the demand and where that property is located. Now, some of the obvious challenges with this approach: you're going to need the capital. You may have to put out additional money for maintenance. It may be a little bit slow to get started because you have to get all these other things in place by way of the down payment assistance, by way of maybe furnishing a potentially larger property. Some of those factors can get in the way of you getting started and operating an Airbnb. I want to share a pro tip here. So tools like AirDNA can help you find both the right city as well as the right property. And also, if you use the Airbnb Profit Map, is a great tool to help you find the right property and avoid some of the most common mistakes that new hosts will make. And you can grab that tool down below. So here's how you get started with this approach. You want to do first some research on the market. And again, those two tools, AirDNA as well as the Airbnb Profit Map, are great tools to help you find both the right location as well as the right property. And there are quite a number of lenders who specialize in Airbnb and other short-term rental lending in this area. And you want to search for those lenders online and seek them out, because they're going to know how to actually finance property that is intended to be operated as a short-term rental. One way to consider, if you're just getting started, is to consider using maybe a duplex where you live on one side and you rent out the other side. This can be a very common approach for you to be able to both live in the property while also earning some residual income on the adjacent side of the property. A lot of folks will use this approach when they want to make some income and use that income to kind of offset the mortgage on the property. Wonderful approach if you're just getting started. So whether you're co-hosting, leasing, or buying the property outright, you now know the three most common ways to make money on Airbnb. But here's the thing: most hosts still get stuck after this step. And so if you want to avoid that, watch this next video where I break down the room by room setup of exactly how to put together an Airbnb. I'm also going to provide the setup checklist, which is a great way to help you understand the things that you absolutely need to buy and those things you can overlook. So watch this next video to get that critical information, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be above 90% of the other hosts in your market.